right, legit. I'm super pleased with this case. It's large and in charge. Comes with a few fans. And yeah, lots of space for you and all your friends. Not a whole lot going on up front. Geez, I think it's got, yeah, not a whole lot going on up here. Just a power button. But in the back, me gusta. That's the good stuff. Yeah, I like it. I love it. Can't get enough of it. Little standing feet too to get it off the ground because that's lovely. And yeah, buy it.